nature blog. I was gonna go down this whole entire thing here, but there's a lot of stuff like mosquitoes and stuff. So we're gonna decline on that. Here's more area here. It's very pretty. And I'm gonna try to get him home. I got plenty of water. Here's another really nice area. I'm not sure what kind of leaves these are, but they're really pretty. And I really do like them a lot. It's very beautiful. We're closing in on here on this picnic area. And it's really hot out and he keeps wanting to walk like a trooper. He doesn't care if it's hot. This is how Chong is. You gotta love Chong for what he is, I guess. Well, we're closing in on this other little area that I think is nice. He walks slow as molasses. Alright. This is a cute little area right here. It's gonna make your soul happy right here. And here's a really nice area here. A little area there. And there's Chong. There's a little ravine thing coming down. And just a little bit of water. Very cute and quaint. Wraps around and there's a